Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get CapCut Pro for free on your PC. So this feature is not going to involve any cracking or any payments. You just have to download the old version of CapCut and install it on your PC. That's just all. So first thing you have to do is to go to your Chrome browser, then search for CapCut old version. Click on the first website, which is from up to down. Then you scroll down to the last one here. That's what you're going to be downloading. I'm not going to download it because I already have it downloaded on my desktop. So I'll just go back to my settings and uninstall the old version. That's the present one asking me to pay. So I'll come down to my apps, installed apps, then look for CapCut and uninstall it. So as you can see now guys, I've uninstalled the present CapCut I have. So I just have to go and install the old version I downloaded. So I just click on it, agree, and install now. So it's going to take a few seconds and to be installed on my desktop. So as you can see now guys, CapCut has been installed successfully on my PC. So I'll just click on start now. So it's just going to take a few seconds loading. So as you can see now guys, I can now run CapCut on my PC without any Pro option showing. We know on the updated version we would have the Pro option showing here, but you can see now I don't have any Pro option showing here for me to join Pro. So you can easily create any video or any effects and export it for free. So that's just how you can easily do this guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Thank you for watching guys.